tornado warning for central Nelson County in central Kentucky, north central LaRue County in central Kentucky, northwestern Marion County in central Kentucky, southwestern Washington County in central Kentucky until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles north of Hodgenville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include New Haven, Loretto, Lyons, St. Francis, Berg Spring, Yosemite, Dan, Blue Gap, Booker, and Narings. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for north central Kentucky and south central Indiana. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Nelson County in central Kentucky, east central LaRue County in central Kentucky, Marion County in central Kentucky, Washington County in central Kentucky until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bardstown to near Hodgenville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bardstown, Lebanon, Springfield, Loretto, Willisburg, McGill, Greenwood, Berg Spring, Dan, and Booker. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for central